Hello kids, I hope so you all are fine. Let's learn words opposite. Let's get started. So we have words and we have its opposite. So day opposite is night. That's right. Then we have another word big. Big opposite is small. Well done. Then we have in. In opposite is out. Well done. Then we have another word start. Start opposite is the end. Then we have word long. Long opposite is short. We have white. White opposite is black. That's too good. Okay, now word is cold. Cold opposite is hot. Cold, hot. Then we have up. Up opposite is down. Then we have bitter. Bitter word opposite is sweet. Then we have word lazy. Lazy opposite is active. Well done. I hope so you enjoyed this video. That was all about words opposite. If you like this video, subscribe the channel, share with your friends. Bye bye kids. Take care.